Hey guys, it's Miss Campos. Today we are going to be dividing decimals. Hoy vamos a estar dividiendo números decimales. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to divide 25 and 2/10 divided by 6. Vamos a dividir 25.2 dividido por 6. So, when you are dividing the decimals, the very first thing you do is you put the decimal straight up. La primera cosa que haces es pones el punto directamente para arriba. Now we can get started. We cover all our numbers. How many times does 6 fit into 2? ¿Cuántas veces cabe el 6 en el 2? 0, ¿verdad? So we go on to the next number. Vamos a ir al siguiente número. How many times does 6 go into 25? We all know 6 times 4 is 24. So when we take away 25 minus 24 is 1. Now we bring down our next number, our last number. How many times does 6 fit into 12? 6 cabe entre 12 dos veces, and I know 6 times 2 is 12, so now I have a remainder of 0. My answer is 4 and 2/10. La respuesta es 4 y 2 décimas. But I always have to check my work when I divide. Siempre tengo que verificar mi respuesta cuando estoy dividiendo. The way I do that is I am going to multiply the answer I got by 6. If I got it correct, my answer should be 25 and 2/10. Voy a multiplicar el número que agarré, que es 4.2 multiplicado por 6. Si agarré la respuesta correcta, me debe de salir 25.2. So I'm going to multiply normally. 6 times 2 is 12. I put down the 2, I carry the 1. Then 6 times 4, 24 plus 1 is 25. So multipliqué normalmente, ahora voy a ver al punto. So I have to move the decimal one time over, so I put the decimal one time over in my answer. 25 and 2/10, 25 and 2/10. Now I know I got the right answer. Ahora ya verifiqué que agarré la respuesta correcta. Let's do one more. I'm going to divide 96 and 57/100 divided by 9. Vamos a dividir estos números. First thing you do, la primera cosa que hacemos, decimal straight up. El punto directamente para arriba. Now we can get started. I'm going to cover all my numbers and I'm going to look. How many times does 9 fit into 9? ¿Cuántas veces cabe el 9 adentro del 9? 1. 1 times 9 is 9. We minus and we get 0. Now I bring down my 6. How many times does 9 go into 6? ¿Cuántas veces cabe el 9 adentro del 6? 0, ¿verdad? 0. It doesn't fit any times because 9 is bigger than 6. So we have to bring down our next number. How many times does 9 fit into 65? Everyone should know 7 times 9 equals 63. So 65 minus 63 is 2. And we bring down our last number, 27. How many times does 9 fit into 27? ¿Cuántas veces cabe el 9 dentro del 27? 3. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 por 3 is 27. So we finally got a remainder of 0. My answer is 10 and 73/100. La respuesta es 10.73. Now, I'm going to check my answer. Tengo que verificar. So I'm going to multiply normally the answer I got times 9. I should get 96 and 57/100. So I'm going to multiply. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 por 3 es 27. Bajamos el 7 y pasamos el 2 al siguiente lugar. We carry the 2 to the next place over. 9 times 7 is 63 plus 2 is 65. Bring down the 5, carry the 6. 9 times 0 is 0. But then we add 6. 9 por 0 is 0. Pero sumamos 6. We get the 6. And then 9 times 1 is 9. Now we look at our decimal. Vamos a ver el décimo. We have to move it 2 times over. So we move it 2 times over in our answer. 96 and 57/100. We got the right answer. And now we know we divided correctly.